and then see if settlement is there, we'll close it. Petitioner shall serve on the complainant.
There is a page number 14, my lordship.
No, sir. ನೀವು ಇದೀರಾ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್
No,
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು
Fresh
ಫಾಸ್ಟ್
matter.
ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ
the fresh matter, my lordship.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಟು ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Obliged.
petition.
I am per respondent number 2.
keep it to emergent notice ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
There is an interim matter subsisting in this matter.
Why did it get posted then?
I am per respondent number 2.
Vacating stay ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
They have not filed, they are yet to file their response, my lords.
File your
Okay.
objections.
Investigation ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ನೀವು objections ಹಾಕಿ list the matter on 24th September. Objections if any by the respondent by then. Interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.
Great.
What, I'll come to my opinion later.
No, that's what I said. Because
No, they have.
no,
to-
now you're saying that police officer has to register, police officer has to seek permission.
No, they're slightly different what the opinion is given, what I'm submitting, my lord. Here, my lord, if they are complied with 154, my lord, as I submitted earlier, it is, he would have done a preliminary inquiry, then sought, as your lordship just pointed out, my lord, he would have, if it's a cognizable offense, he would have sought for a prior approval under 17A. The question is, my lord, whether 154 or 173 was sought to be complied. My lord, this 154 argument comes when private complaint is filed. But what my submission here is, my lords, the entertainment of the competent authority ought to have seen whether that procedure is followed prior to entertaining an application under 17A, my lord. The reason is this, my lord. If that was not followed, you should have seen that such a procedure is followed so that that material was with him. Here, my lord, 154(1) is not followed, or 173(1) or 173(3)(4) also is not sought to be.
151,
ನೀರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡುದು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
152,
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
1 and 3.
1 and 3 has not been.
171.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡೋದು.
Please, ma'am. So therefore, my lord, to entertain that application also, application 17A, my lord, this crucial aspect, whether the compliance of 154, my lord, was done, or 173, 1 and 4 was done, was very crucial. If that was not done, my lord, it ought to have been returned back, saying that comply with the said procedure, then you file an application. In fact, insofar as Pradeep Kumar is concerned, my lord, that is respondent number 5, no such complaint is given at all. And insofar as respondent number 4 is concerned, my lord, application is filed subsequent to filing a complaint before the competent authority. And the competent authority has considered the application dated 5th July 2024, which pertains not seeking prior approval, but seeking CBI inquiry. So therefore, my lords, insofar as application of respondent number 4 for grant of sanction was not there, neither in the file of the competent authority, the Honorable Governor, my lords, or in the statement of objection. So therefore, my lords, the application sought for ought to not been entertained on this count also.
Yes.
Then finally, my lords, one of the point coming to now the aid and advice, my lords,
163.
163.
Hmm.
Insofar as courts, MP police establishment, and they've all said, my lord, the discretion is with the
Governor.
Governor. The question is, what is this discretion? How he has to exercise this discretion? For example, my lords, on the basis of if the aid and advice or there is material, we'll take a situation, my lords, where recommendation is given, the aid and advice is to grant sanction, and the same is rejected. It can work both ways. In this case, my lord, the advice is not to grant sanction, it has been granted. There may be cases, my lord, where recommendation is to the other.
Not to grant sanction, but sanction is. But sanction is to grant sanction, sanction is not granted.
Not granted.
All right.
So therefore, my lord, this discretion is not his absolute power or absolute discretion which he can exercise. This is limited to what has been held by the Supreme Court in MP Police and Justice Punchi's judgment and Nawab Rabia and all these judgments. Ultimately, I just like to write 2 paragraphs of the judgments, my lords. My lordship may kindly take to page number, my lords.
48.
Please. Page 41 for a moment, my lords.
The discretion begins there. Your submission is at page 48.
Okay. Note on points with regard to.
Yes.
So therefore, my lords, with regard to limited discretion, narrow scope of discretion, reason and caution, my lords, keeping that in aside, my lords, I'll just, where is that paragraph? Your lordship may kindly turn to page 55, my lords. At point number 4.
MP Police.
Which has been reiterated in AG para 4, my lord. It is pertinent to note, as evident from the impugned order and the materials put forth by the governor, there has been assumption of bias contrary to the legal principle established in MP Police establishment, Nawab Rabia, and so on and so on. So the exception carved out in this landmark judgment for when a governor may act against the advice of the Council of Ministers have not been addressed or satisfied in the present case. The impugned order and the material produced by the Honorable Governor fails to provide any substantive reasons from deviating from the aid and advice given by the Council of Ministers, nor does it demonstrate how the Cabinet's recommendation against granting sanction was irrational or unsupported by material evidence or suffered from bias. Furthermore, the order lacks a reasoned explanation to establish its own rationality or to show that it is based on through consideration of relevant materials. This absence of reasoning, coupled with apparent haste in the decision making, raise serious question how the propriety and legality of the impugned order protection infringes upon the constitutional scheme and governance principle of federalism.
Yes.
Your Lordship may turn to page 43, Malats, for a moment.
Yes.
The 43 last paragraph, Malats, 4.2.15
Yes.
explains, referring to Shamsher Singh and M.M. Punchi's commission's report, Malats. It's just been culled out over there.
Yes.
Which page 43 highlighted portion, Malats. Thus, the scope of discretionary power as provided in exception to clause 1 and in clause 2 of article 163 has been limited by clear language of 2 clauses. It is an accepted principle that in a parliamentary democracy with a responsible form of government, the power of the governor as a constitutional or formal head of the state should not be enlarged at the cost of real executive with the Council of Ministers. The scope of discretionary power has to be strictly construed, effectively dispelling the apprehension, if any, that the area of exercise of discretion covers all or any of the function to be exercised by the governor under the Constitution. In other words, Article 163 does not give the governor a general discretionary power to act against or without the advice of his Council of Ministers. This area of exercise of his discretion is limited. Even this limited area, his choice of action should not be arbitrary or fanciful. It must be choice dictated by person, actuated by good faith and tempered by caution.
Prudence, caution. All right.
So, Malad, this is the, so therefore, Malad, the Lordships will see, Malad, whether the impugned order comes within the 4 walls of this aspect. So therefore, Malad, the reasoning that the impugned order says it is my discretionary because there is bias apparent and evident is not a ground. As already pointed out, Malad, it should be by reasons with which the reasons should be in the order itself, not in the file, Malad. I would just like to take your Lordship to the file for a moment, Malad.
Which file?
The governor's file.
Right.
I'll end with that, Malad. Just want to point out 2 or 3 aspects
Yes.
in that, Malad.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ, ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
volume
It's in volume,
1,
that's the order.
order sheet,
All,
proceeding.
yes.
If
Page,
page, my lords, page 1, my lords.
ah,
If your lordship sees, my lords, reference, subject is sanction for prosecution, my lords, of so and so. Petition, so and so, dated 26/7. Kindly produce petition by so and so, serial number 1. Then next page number 2, my lords. Please pursue papers, pre-paras, the complaint addendum. Then next at page 3 on right on top, my lords. I have heard so and so in person and gone through the petition and supporting documents submitted by him. Prima facie, I am of the view there might be irregularities and misuse of power. Hence, show cause notice to so and so within 7 days. So this is what the preliminary inquiry sought to be done, my lord. Then can I request, my lord, page 7? Speaks about, my lord, the reply given by the petitioner, then the proceedings. Then last at para 20, my lords, put up along with the comparative statements of petition, Chief Minister.
They recently contested not in the elections also.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡದೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗೆದ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೆರೆ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಸೋತ್ರು. ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ಗೆದ್ರ? ಇಲ್ವಾ? All right.
ಎಲ್ಲೋರು ನಮ್ಮ
Huh?
ಎಲ್ಲೋರು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
All right, yes.
Please.
12th. ಅವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್.
I shall.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್.
Same conditions, ಅಲ್ಲಿ chamber ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ, all conditions.
15 minutes, head switch.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Entry order is there, can be taken on 19th.
List on 26th, entry order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
34 also, same petitioner.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
34.
ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
Oh.
Yes.
Second respondent filed a complaint on behalf of the third and fourth respondent.
Respondents ಅಲ್ಲಿ entry order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Interim.
Same 26th IO.
My lords, short accommodation.
Entry order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, my lords.
26th IO. Next.
This case.
It's a civil case, please, my lords, blown out of proportion. What transpires, my lords have captured the whole issue, please, my lords, in the interim order.
Entry order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. What transpires, my lord, they have sold the property to us for consideration of 9 crore rupees. Consideration is passed on. Thereafter, please, my lord, they go institute a suit, my lords, for declaration and injunction. Interim orders are not granted. After that, my lord, they come up, my lords, before the police to say, lords, I am making development.
There is a detailed order, right?
Please,
Yes.
it will only cover, the same thing will have to be.
Respondent ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, somebody.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
They gave us the objection statement also.
All right, learned counsel for the respondent seeks time to file statement of objections. List on 26th, interim order granted earlier, transaction to the next date of hearing. Next.
Please, grateful, please.
ಇದೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ?
Date ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
It's appearing for proxy counsel, my lord. Senior is in the out of station.
Out of station? Hello, what is this?
Not the one, what order has been not observed by your lordship, see, not 195 capital A. You want whether 195 is a bar, may not.
Oh, this I
Threatening
granted an
witness-
interim order.
Threatening witnesses. But I'll just bring to your lordship kind notice, maybe heard on some
Senior
other day.
ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ?
Alla, same, it
We'll
can
take
be
it
heard
on.
on some other day, but your lordship may have to may not consider 195 capital A of CRPC.
ಅದೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 195 ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, 195 capital A ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
But 195,
Interim order ನೋಡಿ.
I'll,
It's a 4-page interim order.
please, I'll,
195 capital A.
then I'll prepare myself not on this
Exactly, sir.
grounds.
No, what if 195 capital A is introduced later by way of an amendment?
Please.
That does not take away the procedure to be followed under 340. No procedure is followed.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Who has to
complaint
take,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ-
and who, which court has to complain? You have gone and registered the complaint before court at Dharwad. Everything has happened here before the special court. How do you do that?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I remember what I have granted. Yes. Heard, the list the matter on 26th interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Please.
Nodi, I have,
Yes,
yeah, interim order, it's a detailed interim order that I have granted, just see it.
But 20.
20 minutes I appeal for the petitioner. Minutes senior appears, he's on his legs. Minutes, your Lordship may kindly have it on Monday minutes coming.
Then we'll vacate the interim order.
Minutes, he is. he
List the
appears-
matter on 26th interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of the hearing. Yes, sir.
One. Appearing for petitioner minutes.
On
Short date,
compliance of office objections.
1 week time maybe.
ಓ ಇದೇನಾ ನೀವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? Yes. A week's time is granted to comply, Weeks, ಏನ್ covered ಏನು?
ಇದಲ್ಲ my lordship, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ court
ಇನ್ನೊಂದಾ?
measurement.
Week's
26.
time is granted to comply with the office objections. Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. ಇದು interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಫೋನ್? Yes, 26th IO. Oh, 21, sorry, 20 ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಈಗ? 21. No, 1 week time is granted to comply with the office objections, 26th, yes, Pawan.
3 and 153A.
Correct. Take ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಲ್ಲ?
Yes, Lord, while my Lord distributing the Mantrakshara of the Ram Mandir.
ಮಂತ್ರಾಕ್ಷರ.
Yes,
Really,
Mantrakshara
charge
of
sheet has been
Ram Mandir.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Charge sheet has been.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತದೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್?
Before he files the petition itself, charge sheet came to be filed.
Then why have you not stated that?
No, my Lord, it is transferred from Dharwad bench to Bangalore bench. my
All
lord.
right.
Yes, my Lord.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Charge
My
sheet
lord,
filed on
ಮತ್ತೆ?
13/2/2024.
13?
Sir,
13/2/2024.
that is after the filing of the petition before the grant of the interim order.
Because my Lord, I have made my Lord application immediately before.
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
Please, my Lord, in the
Interim
meantime,
order ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
please.
Yes. Counsel for the learned additional SPP submits that the charge sheet has been filed prior to the grant of the interim order, albeit after the filing of the present petition. Therefore, in the light of the pendency of the interim order, I deem it appropriate to permit the petitioner to raise a challenge to the charge sheet.
Interim order is only to not to precipitate, not.
Whatever, sir. So and so. List the matter on 26th. Needful be done by then. Any interim protection subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Please.
Next.
My Lord, next one is my Lord 153(1) and 153(2). Though there is my Lord such provision
ಇಲ್ಲೂ
is
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
illa.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
But no provision, my Lord, available under the offense under section 153(2). But even though there is no definition.
ಅದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಗೆ they indicate it as 2. 506 ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is no part, there is no B, but they say 506B, it is part 2.
Correct, my Lord, but here 153(1) and 2
ಅದು ನೋಡಿ.
simultaneously, that is not
Stay
correct. my
ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ?
Lord. Stay unto.
Yes.
Stay there.
My Lord, this is also, my Lord.
You should correct them. 506B ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? It's
ಕೆಲವು
not
ಕಡೆ ಬಿ ಅಂತ
part
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ,
2.
ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2 ಅಂತ.
The
Part
absence
2
of-
actually, because 506 is a non-cognizable
Yes, ma'am.
offense. If you see part 2, it is a cognizable offense.
Then, my Lord, there is no mens rea here, my Lord. There is no mens rea. He
List
has a, my Lord,
List on 26.
has a 7-time MP of the, my Lord,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆನ್ಸ್
constituency.
ಇರಬಾರ್ದು
Just
ಅಂತಿದೆಯಾ?
represented the.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Just-
wait. List on 26th interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. Yes.
24.
I appear for the petition. This is 153 capital A minutes.
All these 153 years will
Two
take
group.
1 day and finish it.
No, this is through WhatsApp, my lord. Well, is that
Day
through
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ sir.
5/4/2020?
ಹಾ. With the detailed orders.
Yes. my lord. Of course, your lordships also interpreted in Raja Singh Thakur's case. Two
153.
groups should be a sine qua non for.
Yes, sir. That is
Applicable.
following the judgment of the apex court.
Yes, yes. my lord. And
Javed
so
Hajam-
far as the WhatsApp is concerned,
Javed Hajam and
Javed Ahmad.
Javed Hajam and Shiv Prasad Semwal, about
Yes.
2024. Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. List on 26th, the interim order granted on 5/4/2024 shall continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
For petitioner's fund.
Then Leka.
Lord, some defamatory article, Lord, was published in a newspaper
allegation that he, my lord, give a bite in the media. That is the allegation, my lord. And my lord,
You're going to give bites?
we are ready with the matter, my lord.
Yes, sir. You're ready with the matter? Why are you
Because the
ready?
interim order was granted
Is
earlier.
the interim order?
Ready?
Ready na?
Ready.
ಹೇಳಿ sir. Yes, sir.
Lord, petitioner was a deputy speaker, my lord, from 6/3/2018 to 17/3/2020, my lord.
ಇದು ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಇದು?
ಅವಾಗಿನ incident, cognizance taken later, my lord.
All right.
My lord,
Complaint is registered when time?
yes, my lord, it was registered in 1 month, my lord, after the incident, alleged incident taken
All
place.
right.
But the background is this, my lord, petitioner was a deputy speaker, against which, my lord, the respondent makes reckless allegation of, my lord, land grabbing and all. Lord, for which, my lord, he lodges a complaint, my lord, and that was registered as NCR. Then, my lord, the respondent was called to the police station and he was advised, my lord, and then endorsement has been issued to the petitioner. Lord, suppressing all these facts, he files this present complaint, my lord, on 25/11/2019, 13/12/2019, my lord. The NCR was, my lord, closed on, my lord, 25/11/2019. But the allegation is this, my lord, the paper publication, which is produced, my lord, at annexure, my lord, page 58,
Yes.
my lord, right side. Lord, this is, my lord, stated in the context, my lord, where he made reckless allegations, and, my lord, NCR was registered and the endorsement was given. He says, my lord, ಹುಚ್ಚ ಮೂರ್ಖ ಅಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. This is the only allegation, my lord, against the petitioner.
How can you term someone as mad?
Lord, this is not the, he is saying ಹುಚ್ಚ ಅಥವಾ ಅಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, because he makes reckless allegation without there any basis. And, my lord, he simply, my lord, it is like a hit and run case, my lord. He gives
500,
499 500.
Correct, 499.
My lordship, first contention is that that I have not filed affidavit before the trial court.
ಅದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ you
ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
take it as your file.
Yes.
Yes, don't get into that contention. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Second contention is that I have not taken the sanction.
that also you have taken.
No, sanction is not required because there is no nexus between the press meet and the discharge of his
Discharge of
official duties.
official duties. ಆಮೇಲೆ
So, third contention is that the trial court has not taken the cognizance and proceeded to record his own statement. In this regard, I want to cite a citation, my lordship.
citation ಕೊಡಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿನ.
Page 25, 27, my lordship. In
My
page,
judgment only you are giving.
this one,
My orders.
yes, my lordship.
Pradeep Odair, sir.
Yes, my lordship.
Curable defects.
Curable defect and there is no necessity of mentioning in the order sheet. It is presumed to because
Yes.
sanction has been taken.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
And fourth contention is that these words doesn't fall under the definition of 499 and 500. He cannot call any person as a mad idiot.
Idiot.
Yeah.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ
Murka, Ucha,
ಹುಚ್ಚ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Murka,
Okay,
Agnani. And it sends a wrong message to the society.
correct.
Hence, I pray this honorable court to
Dismiss the petition. Yes, sir.
Now, my lord, the grounds urged are, my lord, one is, my lord, this is filed as a, my lord, counter blast and afterthought. Number one, my lord.
But the statements are statements, they are facts. Facts are
I'll
stubborn.
come to, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, that is number one, my lord.
Yes,
The
sir.
second ground is, my lord, the complaint has been filed with the oblique motive in order to harass and humiliate and tarnish. But
ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮೋಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ, he makes reckless allegation and I, my lord,
ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
no, I gave a complaint, my lord, police, that was registered as NCR.
You should have filed a private complaint for defamation.
No, my lord, he also holds a press conference against me, my lord.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ
Sir,
he
this is-
also ಬಿಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. You have to answer that.
Yes. But, my lord, he gives a statement before the police.
4 grounds, 4 replies.
No, my lord.
Straight reply, straight answer.
No, my lord.
No beating around the bush.
No, my lord, there is no independent witness, my lord, supported the claim or contention of the complainant.
It's a press conference,
Oh, Lord.
public domain.
Lord, now the sworn statement has been recorded, which is very bald and vague, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, the page
Hmm.
55 is, my lord, 52, CW1, my lord, the complainant. Lord, he says, my lord, only, my lord, the defamatory statement has been made. Only that he says, my lord. And my lord, there is a difference between, my lord, the date given in the complaint and also, my lord, in the sworn statement. The complaint, my lord, he says, my lord, on 16th, the press meet was held. Then, my lord, in the sworn statement.
Press meet is a matter of fact. ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ and date mistake ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ that does not absolve
Right,
you. ಆಮೇಲೆ.
But, my lord, it is a bald sworn statement where there is, my lord, no ingredients has been attracted to
Aye.
attract, my lord, section
Amen.
499.
Hmm.
Next, my lord, the CW2, who's supposed to be independent witness, my lord, he should have stated two things, my lord.
Hmm.
The complainant, my lord, is a reputed person and his reputation is tarnished by virtue of the alleged defamatory statement given.
Oh.
He has not stated, my lord, anything, only vague statement. Kindly see page 55 for a moment, my lord.
So only a reputed person can be,
No, my lord,
reputed person's image can be tarnished.
not so, my lord.
Hmm.
He should, my lord, state two things, my lord. Independent witness should come and say,
You mean to say
Is a
reputation is only of a reputed person?
reputation was there and it has been tarnished. Now, both is missing, my lord, in this case. Kindly see page 55. It's vague sworn statement, my lord. Therefore, my lord, my respectful submission is, even 202 is not complied.
ಏನ್ 202
Inquiry.
is not? What 202 is not?
My lord, the cognizance is taken by the special court. But, my lord, accused, my lord, while issuing, my lord, process, he has not complied 202. Inquiry has not been conducted.
Why
properly.
inquiry?
My lord, he is residing outside the jurisdiction. My lord, the complaint was earlier filed before the regular magistrate.
Hmm.
Then it was shifted
Transferred to the special court.
special court, my lord. But now, my lord, while issuing
Special
the-
court is not there everywhere.
my lord, now the,
It's only one.
yes, my lord.
So the 202 goes next.
My lord, the inquiry as contemplated, my lord, in
Not
order to
necessarily, sir.
satisfy himself
There is
that, my
only
lord,
one court.
in order to satisfy himself that, my lord, the matter requires, my lord, issuance of process. That has not satisfied, my lord, is my respectful submission. Lord, the other ground is counterblast, my lord.
Hmm.
The moment I filed a complaint, he filed this private complaint. That is one.
Hmm.
My lord, another ground is, my lord, suppression of fact. The complaint which was filed earlier, my lord, against him is not, my lord, nowhere mentioned in the complaint or in the sworn statement. That is another aspect. And, my lord, delay of 30 days is there, my lord. That is another one. Lord, the other ground is, my lord, the ingredients are not attracted so far as 499 is concerned, my lord.
Why?
There are-
You can call anybody this, is it?
No, not so, my lord. This is in the context of, my lord, case and counter case, and after thought, my lord, it has been filed. And, my lord, here there are few judgments, my lord,
Good.
which says
Hmm.
even calling merely by naming or calling something like this, my lord, does not attract, my lord, 499 unless, my lord, there is an intention to, my lord, defame.
All right, let's see. Yes.
And he is a habitual complainant, my lord. He has lodged many complaints, my lord, against so many people.
List on
He is a
19th.
politician, my
Learned
lord.
senior counsel, so and so, and the council. List on 19th for dictating orders.
Not only one
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next.
one
date of hearing.
submission, my lord. There is one judgment we are relying upon, my lord. We placed on record. It says, my lord, politicians are, my lord, they should be
Thick-skinned.
thick-skinned. Yes, my lord.
Oh.
He is
I have seen that
my lord, he
thick-skinned
claims a politician, social worker, my lord, and
Control.
also, my
Vinod Kumar has
my
given the
respectful submission
thick-skinned
is, my lord.
judgment.
He's a troublemonger, my lord. He invited trouble. That is my respect.
All right. Yes.
Grateful.
List on 19th dictating orders. We'll continue 2:30. ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡಾ? ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆಯ್ತು, ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು. ಇವತ್ತು 2022 nobody has moved. I have got all the matters listed. Nobody is interested. 2 years ಇಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ. What application is this? When did you file it? Judgment post ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ? Then? When did you file it, sir? That's all right. At what stage did you file it? ಏನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಒಂದ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕೊಡಿ 12th ಕೊಡಿ. Vacating interim orders, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ applications, give all those applications. Give all the applications where vacating stay is filed. Vacating stay. Wait. Vacating stay applications kodi alla. I will assign dates for that. Yes. Vacating. Fresh matter alla Monday kodi matte move madbidi. Yes. Yes, Ravi Shankar. Kodi vehicle release naale tagoli. Give it. Yes.
DA case, my lords, my request for tomorrow, since all the matters coming tomorrow.
We'll see. Give it. Yes. All the matters ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾಳೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ.
No, it is all.
Give it. We'll see. Yes, sir. New DA cases, whatever is filed, madam.
My lords,
New DA cases, whatever is filed, don't post them tomorrow. We'll
That's
post it next week. Give it. Yes.
498 matter, husband and family members who are residing in Coimbatore.
Are pending, sir.
It's like we have filed an IA number
Fresh
20.
or pending?
Pending, sir.
Pending. Right? It has come once already.
Yeah, on 2nd of this month, it has came, we have filed an amendment application.
It has come, not came.
Yes.
Yes, give it.
May post it on Wednesday, my lords.
Give it. Next week haki alla.
Sir, it's urgency, sir.
Oh, urgency. So why day after tomorrow ನೀವೇ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? Give it on Monday. Yes.
Milord, a small submission, please. I was.
MMRD Act covered by judgment.
Maybe, sir. Give it fresher. If it is fresh matter, please don't wait. Give the memos.
Not
No, this week, all on Monday.
particular case will be listed tomorrow.
Maybe, sir. Tomorrow you move the matter when the matter is listed.
Milord,
Yes. Give all the memos. Fresh matters, please give all the memos. I'm not going to take anything for this week. Give it. Yes.
this,
If it's pending, wait.
this one submission, please.
Give it. No problem, sir. So what, sir? Can't help. What were you doing till 17th August? Yes.
One submission, please, Milord.
Give it. Monday, all Monday, give it.
Can I submit, please, Milord?
Ella Monday ge kodi. Fresh matters, I'm not taking anything, sir. All on Monday. Everything on Monday, give it. No, sir, Monday. Can't help. Yes. Next.
Small submission, please, Milord.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೆಮೊ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. Whichever is fresh matters, please give it.
My lord, this is.
Please give all the fresh memos.
In the family code. That's the.
Give that. Yes. At 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Your lordship permits. Milord, I've been tried and convicted already under the Provident Fund Act. Milord, on that appeal is pending now. Milord, on the same facts, Milord, I've been charge sheeted for an offence under 406. That is the problem, Milord. Your lordship may assign any date, Milord.
Pending matter.
Not pending, Milord. Fresh matter.
Monday, sir.
Monday, please.
All Monday, I've told you, ಮತ್ತೆ assignment of dates there.
Grateful.
Yes, give it.
Monday.
Withdrawal of the amount, my lord, under petition and section.
Take that tomorrow. Withdrawal of the amount tomorrow. Yes. Tomorrow. Respondent tomorrow. Yes.
Who has been arraigned as an accused, stay order has been granted.
No problems.
The verge of retirement. The date may be.
Next week. Yes.
One submission, my lordship. 2023 fresh matter, my lordship.
Monday.
9 memos, my lordship, not being listed so far.
This is the 10th. Give it. Monday. Yes.
My lords, may I make a mention?
Give withdrawal, sir.
My lords,
ಯಾವ ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ? ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟಾ? ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಕೊಡಿ. ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪೇಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಹಾಕಿ.
Fresh matter, my lords, to be listed today.
Monday.
I request
Why?
date Monday ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Why today?
Like today it was scheduled, it was.
Monday it will come, sir. Give it. Monday ಅಲ್ಲ, Monday is a holiday. Tuesday. Yes.
One pending
my
matter.
lords, in this
It is both.
cryptocurrency exchange, my lords. FIR was filed in 2021, my lords. Now, my lords, my bank account has been attached, my lords. My name is not disclosed in the FIR itself, my lords.
Monday.
My lords, bank account, salary account is.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಯ್ತು?
23/8 ಆಗಿದೆ ನಂದು.
23/8 ಗ
Please.
ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್
Difficult is tomorrow at least.
Monday.
Tomorrow if it's possible, my lords.
Give it on Monday. They'll come on Monday. Madam, ಯಾವ್ದು Tuesday, no memo should be held. Post everything.
Lords, matter for being spoken to, my lords at cost.
Tomorrow.
My lord, this is
Being spoken to, my lord, this-
Tomorrow. In being spoken to now. 2:30 ಯಾಕೆ sir? Yes.
Respond number 2 has filed a complaint.
So what? So what? Matter ತಾನೆ? Monday, yes.
my lord.
ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಲ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮಂಡೇ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
My lord, this is lordship
ಮಂಡೇ.
lordship in this matter. Is pending matter.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, it is
ನಾ ಈ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
lordship in
10ನೇ ಮೆಮೋ ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
lordship in pending matter. It is notice is ordered. On 19/7 it is posted. On that day, since notice is not served, await is ordered.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Thereafter it is not posted. I have
Sir,
moved to 3 memos. Your
So what?
lordship, there is urgent.
No, give it, yes. ಬರ್ದ್ ಕೊಡಿ, when do you want?
My lord, this is the please. This is the first matter.
Monday.
I moved 3 memos, my lord.
10th ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಂಡೇ.
Monday ಬರ್ಲಿ. Monday.
Sir, no precedence like that, give it, yes.
My lords, one
ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ
FIR was
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
stated by-
ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
My lord, one FIR was stated, my lord. Another FIR has been registered against the same petitioner, my
Monday,
lord,
sir.
for the same fact, my lord.
My lord, my lord,
Huh?
government servants are suspended for the by registering non-cognizable.
Government servants are suspended. Why are you moving this court?
In FIR is registered for non-cognizable offense, my lord. And we have approached the KAT. KAT has refused to stay, granting stay.
So?
Telling that FIR is registered
So?
for non-cognizable offense.
You were inside for 48 hours?
My lord, no,
Were you arrested for beyond 48 hours?
no more.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ why were you in suspension? Mere registration of the crime will not put you under suspension.
But
No.
Day after,
Challenge it, service ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ.
FIR is registered.
ಮಂಡೇ.
Day after tomorrow, KAT is
Monday,
KAT is
sir.
fixed. Tomorrow, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ suspension is not dismissal, give it, yes.
Your lordship,
Fresh matters, my lordship.
Monday.
Petitioner is student, my lordship.
Monday,
your lordships,
all for Monday.
lordship,
Give it, which year? Give all the memos.
Pending, my lord, 2023 matter.
Thank you, give it, yes.
Interim order granted, subsequent interim order is not extended, my lord. Now
That's all right, we'll see, give it, yes.
charge sheet ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
ಅದ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದು.
your lordship, there's an MC case.
Where interim order is not extended, please take that.
Connected.
Give all the memos, other memos, please ಕೊಡಿ, yes.
Your lordship, there's an
If you want to
MC case.
call the cases, madam.
Lords, may I make one?
Lordship, please,
1 minute, sir.
there's an MC case, your
If you
lordship.
want to give the memo, give the memo. Yes.
My lord, petitioner has to go to abroad day after tomorrow, my lord.
Day after tomorrow, why have you fixed without taking the leave of the court? ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ?
No, my lord, as per, I mean, like, he has to go, or else, my lord, he can't able to continue his education, my lord.
Oh, ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
Lord,
Tomorrow.
My lord, basically, my lord, as per previous memo, Thursday was scheduled, my lord. So,
Tomorrow you come give it, sir. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Pending ಕೊಡಿ, sir. Yes. How many extensions? Already I've granted everything. Just give it,
Your
yes.
lordship, one submission, your lordship. It was already posted for 12th. This is a DV case. The respondents are really old, your lordship.
DA case or DA case?
Sorry, domestic violence case.
Domestic violence, all
Yes, your
right.
lordship, please, if you could post it maybe just before 12th.
No. Yes, Monday.
Requesting for
It's a fresh matter or pending, madam?
Fresh matter, your lordship.
Oh, what's your, when is the next date there?
12th.
You are the husband?
Yes, your lordship.
No problem, Monday, yes.
My lord, these 2 matters are 2:30 minutes.
Why, sir?
My lord, my bank accounts have been freeze, my lords.
Tomorrow.
My lords, tomorrow, my lords.
ಅದೇ 2:30 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ tomorrow ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, day after tomorrow, yes.
My lords, 2:30 only, my lords.
tomorrow ಕೊಡಿ. FR ಅದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ವಾಪಸ್.
Hello, it is complied, my lords.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನೀವು ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, don't do that.
I've complied with the office of
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
My lords, tomorrow, my lords.
Tomorrow.
My bank accounts have been.
Your bank accounts won't be defrozen tomorrow, no worries, let it come.
One matter we had moved, my lords, your lordships, that's a Foxco case by the wife against the husband. By the time it came before my lords, your lordships were inclined to grant an interim stay. Charge sheet was filed, I brought it.
Things that came out were that in an increasingly digital world, a lot of the basic concepts, like, what is money? In today's times, none of us see actually physical money. Nowadays, even for a tip, the guy is showing you a QR code and you can decide how much tip to give. So some of these things are changing. The financial sector is changing and has to start understanding what the digital world means. It also means the policy and regulatory framework has to keep racing against time to catch up with it. Because partly regulators and government allows